Now let's talk about pros or benefits of lambda expression. In Java 1.7, there was a new JVM opcode was released named invokedynamic, and Java 8 Lambda uses this. So the following code will result in an anonymous class being created when you compile the code possible class name $1.class. So if you have 10 anonymous class, that is 10 more classes in the final jar. But Java 8 Lambda uses invoked dynamic to call lambdas. Thus, if you have 10 lambdas, it will not result in any anonymous class, thus reducing the final jar size. That is, if you are using the lambda expression, your jar size would be less due to less number of dot class files, because it will not create a dot class for every lambda expression. External versus internal iteration. If you are have worked till Java 1.7 on imperative way, which we have talked before, I have array.asList 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I am operating a for loop on it. Okay, but when you will talk about lambda expression, I have java.asList, but here I have this dot for each. This is an internal method on this numbers which is of type list. So this is an internal iteration. Using an internal iteration, the JIT compiler, that is just in time compiler, would optimize it, processing the items in parallel or in a different order. So that's why when you are using the lambda expression, performance is set to be fast, that is somewhere on your collections. Parallel execution. Here I have talked about processing the item in parallel on a different order. What is this parallel execution? It supports sequential and parallel execution by passing behavior in methods with collection stream API. You have stream of some names, and now let's output them all in sequence. So here I have stream dot of this, and I just put dot for each stream system dot out print. So all are in sequence. But if I do parallel execution, I have stream dot of, I have passed that array here, and I have dot parallel, then dot for each. In this case, I am using the parallel function of stream, in which these names will be printed fast, but there is no sequence. What we have seen here, let's see that in a demo. Now let me talk about parallel execution. Here I have public static void main method in our class main to parallel. I have a date now 1. I have just now 1 dot get time long t1. I'm basically calculating the time here, nothing from the Java 8 something. I have stream dot iterate, where I have seed from 0 to n plus 1, where limit is till 50,000. Now filter main2 dot parallel, this class is prime. I'm passing these numbers in a method is prime. Then I'm peak. Peak is like you put log.info to see inside what is happening. I can even comment this part. Dot count. And again I have put this date function here to calculate what is the time here and what is total time taken in millisecond. Here we have this is prime. Here is this is prime method here, where I am passing number as an argument. I am checking if number is less than or equal to 1, return false, else return int stream.range close to number divided by 2 dot any match I number modulus I double equal to 0. It will check if number is divisible by 2 or is equal to number divided by itself equal to 0. It will check for is prime. Now let's go and run this. Let me execute it. Now basically I'm just these are the prime numbers. Time taken is 649 and total numbers are 5133. Let me stop this peak again back. I have total count here, which is count here. Let me go down, and time taken in millisecond is there, and total count is this. Let me say here, let me run this. Time taken in millisecond is 431, and my total number of prime number is 5133. If now you want to see what is this peak method is doing, let me go back here. S is 431, and now time taken second millisecond is 625. Now, if it is a parallel processing, what it will do? Let me again comment this back, save, and run. It is 520 millisecond, and total is same. Now, again, bring this peak here. It is 601 millisecond. It is better than before. If I just put a very big number here, like this, it will take times in minutes of time for serial. For parallel, it would be again in seconds. But it will take time. If I'll run, it will take time. Where I'm comparing the parallel and single processing. Let's see further on pros of Lambda expression.